In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI in VS Code step-by-step tutorial 2026. By the end, you'll have the Perplexity AI extension installed in Visual Studio Code and be signed in, ready to use it in your development workflow. First, head to VS Code. Make sure the app is open and, if possible, updated to a recent version so you get the best compatibility with extensions. If you have a project you plan to work on, open that folder or workspace now. Opening a folder helps AI tools understand your code base better, and it ensures features like context-aware suggestions work as intended. If VS Code asks you to trust the folder, review the prompt and proceed based on your security needs. Trusted workspaces unlock the full extension capabilities. Keep an eye on the bottom status bar as well. If you see any pending updates or required restarts, it's a good idea to take care of those before installing new tools. Next, click on View in the top menu, then choose Extensions to open the Extensions view. You can also use the shortcut Command plus Shift plus X on Mac OS or Control plus Shift plus X on Windows and Linux if you prefer. The Extensions panel will open on the left. At the top, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can find and manage all your VS Code extensions. If the marketplace takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds. Network or proxy settings can sometimes slow it down. Now, in the search bar, type Perplexity. Look for the official Perplexity AI extension in the results. Check the publisher name and reviews so you know you're installing the correct one. Click Install and wait for the progress indicator to complete. Once it's installed, you may see a reload or enable button. If VS Code needs to refresh, go ahead and do that if prompted. After installation, open the extension's entry to find its Welcome or Details page and click the option to sign in or log in. This usually opens your default browser to authenticate your account. Follow the on-screen prompts, then approve the prompt to return to VS Code so the extension can confirm you're signed in. When the sign-in completes, you should see confirmation in the sidebar or status bar. From here, you're set. If you want to fine-tune behavior, open Settings and search for the extension's name to adjust things like response style or shortcuts. If you run into issues finding the extension, double-check your internet connection, try reloading the window, or ensure your environment isn't blocking the marketplace. That's it. VS Code is open, the extensions view did the heavy lifting, and Perplexity is installed and logged in, ready to help inside your editor.